Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a clean with me. If you need motivation to clean your toddler's car seat and of course the kitchen and other random stuff, please stick around. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. If you have a toddler, you know the struggle to get their car seat clean. My toddler, she eats in her car seat, and it's such a bad habit, but I'm trying to curb that. But these car seats are so hard to clean. It's so hard to take the pieces apart and wash the thing. It was just a pain. So my husband cleaned the car and I cleaned the car seat, and I can't. I'm ready for her to be done with car seat. Anyways, we're moving on into the kitchen, and I kind of did this back and forth flip-flop. I cleaned this area before I did the car seat, but it didn't make sense. Anyways, none of this makes sense. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Comment down below if you are. Anyways, that's enough talking for me.
Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Not now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. Cause your love made me.
Okay, let's talk junk drawer. Like, who came up with that concept, idea, whatever it is? I don't know whose idea it was to have a junk drawer. What's the purpose of it? We have one, and I don't understand why do we have so much little knickknacks, and I'm just like, I was just over it. This has been like 2.5 years worth of collecting tiny little pieces, and I don't understand why we do that. If you have a junk drawer, comment down below and let me know if it drives you crazy as much as it does me. So I just had to organize it, and it was just a long time in the making, so I just figured I would just go ahead and try to make it look pretty. So anyways, I'm gone.
Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. Cause your love made me.
Okay guys, so all of this right here, that's going in the basement for party stuff. That's not going to stay up here. These are randomness that I have to trash. These are manuals that I'm going to put in the basement. This is jewelry to go upstairs. Other drawers, craft supply, So none of this belongs in this drawer, actually. So this is the finish, and I like it. So let me put you guys down a little bit. So we got pencils, whatever you need for, like, you know what I mean. These are bills, and I have a calculator. It's only fit in that, and then a little pad right there that you can jot down notes. I didn't know where to put this. I mean, I could have put it here, but let's just keep it here. This is my little first aid kit. This is Jackson's inhaler. So I like to have it down here. He also has a few upstairs. This is, what is this? What is this? Oh, electronics. These are batteries. Birthday candles. Just random pepper things. I trashed the rest of them. These are nail polishes. I keep them here to keep Maddie out of it. These are just playing cards that we usually use when we're doing dinner. We lost a few of them. We usually just take this out and just, question each other and stuff. And these are like rewards cards. This is arts and crafts, but I don't know where to stick it. And then those are the little kebab sticks. So this drawer is done. Yes.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you.
Okay, so all these dishes pile up here as a result, it's a result of my two kids, especially my autistic son, doing their chores. He forgot to he didn't load the dishwasher properly, and it just resulted in the dishes not being washed properly. So I had to hand wash all of them and put them in and then run the dishwasher. I'm a weirdo like that. I don't know why I do that. I wash them and then I run the dishwasher again. If you do that, please let me know so I can not feel so alone. Don't have your kids put away laundry, because I'm still looking for certain things that I don't know where they put it, and it's more headache than anything. Just do it yourself and save yourself some trouble, because this closet is in disarray and I have to fix it.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and
I don't know about you guys, but I always try to tackle the smallest mess. That way it can give me motivation to tackle the big mess. So I figured I would do the closet first and then make my way to my master bedroom. I don't know how it got that way. It just did. Life happens. I'm not ashamed, so you shouldn't be.
My thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Either come close or stay away. Oh, these words are echoing inside of me. I don't wanna lead you astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade?
I hope you guys are enjoying these cleaning series as much as I'm enjoying editing them. I don't know why I enjoy editing, cleaning. It's just a satisfaction for me. Anyways, guys, I think this is enough talking for me. I don't like to talk. I don't like to do voiceovers, but let's just talk about this bed. This bed is old. It belongs to my mom. She gave it to me when I got married, and I have not upgraded my mattress. Not the bed, but the mattress. And it's just seen better days. Like, all the grandbabies have slept on it, and it's time for me to upgrade my mattress, but I'm just too lazy.
Sitting here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
This egg chair that's coming up in the next clip, I don't know why I have it in my bedroom, and I haven't christened it yet, and I think I need to. How? If you get it, you get it. If you don't, it just went right over your head.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here.